Good morning. Are your lens open properly? Turn around.
I know what's happening.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know. Just
Okay.
let it. It's cold.
Is that why?
The camera is cold, my love.
Alright. So,
Happy
Sunday.
Sunday.
So we're getting rid of the old TV.
He did it already, guys.
Not getting rid of it. It's in the bedroom.
Oh, that one goes in the bedroom? That's too big, babe. Nah, that's too big. Wag na.
We're probably too far forward.
Yeah, ayaw.
Should we just get rid of the TV in the bedroom? Nah, not yet.
The TV in the bedroom is Chaka. That's the one we should get rid of.
See how it's positioned forward? So the weight of it.
Yeah, it's not very stable.
Nah.
Yeah. Wag uy kasi baka malaglag no sa cabinet. Kasi yung our TV now in the bedroom, we put it on Dan's closet, like cabinet closet niya. Doon niya nilalagay yung mga damit niya. Parang hindi siya stable para dito. Kung maglalagay man tayo ng TV doon, we need to mount it sa wall or something like that. But nah, it's not worth doing that now. Magkakaano pa tayo sa wall natin.
Do we need to keep this?
What? What is it? Kini-clear na niya. Oh, that's the
We don't need it.
the Apple whatever.
We don't need it. We need to.
No, we don't need it. We can get rid of that. Meron pa bang? Hala.
Let's get rid of this.
Okay. What are you gonna do?
Your friends want.
Yeah, ask them.
Oh, text it to Neil and Mark and see if any of them want it. I'm just gonna throw it out.
Okay.
I don't think of getting rid of this DVD player.
Sorry?
Getting rid of the DVD player as well.
Get rid of it?
I don't use it.
Okay.
We have never used it in years.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No.
Alright, so I'm ready, people. I'll just have something to eat. Sabi ni Dan, wag ka umalis na hindi ako makain. Nagkape lang ako kanina. Now, let's have some cassava cake. Galing to sa... Where did you get this? Rose Water Asian shop? Or Filipino shop?
Really?
Yeah. Ito, masarap to. Ano, gusto ko yung cassava cake ng Azon's Kitchen. Yummer siya. Kain tayo. Oh, ano pala? I'll get my nails done. Kasi tingnan nyo. Ano do, ang bilis tumubo talaga ng nails ko. Uy, grabe. Ano, wala pa bang 1 month? Do, I'm not sure. Every month kasi ako nagpapaano. And tinatiming ko din siya kapag may mga lakad kami. Kasi ano, Actually, August 1, aalis kami papuntang Melbourne. So, iniisip ko, I'll get my nails done now, end of June, para yung next ko is end of July. So, timing para sa aming next trip, diba? Kasi nga August 1, aalis kami. This is good. And alam ni Dan ko ano yung gusto ko. Gusto ko yung dito sa dulo. Yan. So, kinuha niya yan. Ayoko yung nasa gitna eh. Yung dulo yung gusto ko. So, while I get my nails done, Dan will wait for the TV. So, dito lang siya. Kasi yung delivery is from 11 to 2. Is that right, my love?
Yeah.
It's now 11:14 ng maga. Nag-breakfast na yan si Dan, ha? Nag-muffin na yan kanina. Paalis na ako, guys. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ang aking OOTD. Ito yung suot ko. This is from Yes Style. Yes Style. H&M sa Japan. Tapos, sinasabi ko na Japan kasi dito sa Australia wala to eh. Walang ganito yung length kasi ang tamang-tama yung length sa akin. Siguro sa H&M sa Pilipinas merong ganito. Kasi dito ang hahaba talaga do. And then, I'm using this teddy black bag. Bucket bag. Kasi parang feeling ko, sobrang ano siya, match siya sa top ko ngayon. Ito. 'Di ba? Medyo match. Hindi naman as in medyo, pero they go well. They go well. Yung nasa lips ko pala is ito. My Lips But Better Ultra Matte Lippy. Shade is Flirty. Yan yung nasa lips ko. Ganyan yung itsura niya sa lips. Yan. Okay. Alis na tayo para matapos tayo agad. My love. Asan ka? I'll go, babe.
Okay.
Love you. Let me see. Nice. Good. Love you, babe. What color? Blue? Yo, may nakita akong blue. Kaya lang sana mahanap ko yung gusto ko na blue. Si Catherine Bernardo kasi nag-post siya ng picture ng nails niya. Sabi ko, gusto ko din yung ganyang kulay. But I don't think I will find it. Ay, ito na pala yung ano guys, ay sound bar na binili namin kahapon. What's ha? Ito ay, yan yun. I-ano natin yan mamaya, install chart. Let's go, people. Yeah, I have my keys. It's in my bag. Alright, love you, babe. Bye. Naghihintay. Para siyang bata naghihintay ng TV. I hope it's... Thank you, my love. I hope it's not that busy. Yeah, I'm early, so hopefully. Let me just fix the mirrors. And I'm good, my love. Tawa-tawa ka, ah. Love you. Mwah. Sana mahanap ko yung blue na gusto ko Gusto ko talaga yun. Yung kay Catherine. Pero feeling ko wala yun dun eh. Tingnan natin. Ay, nako. Sana hindi ganun kabis. Music tayo. We are here, people. Merong park. I'm so happy. Dito talaga tayo nakapark sa malapit lang sa shop. So, malapit lang sa nail salon. Ito yung nails natin ngayon. Tingnan niyo yung grow. Oh. Ang haba na, 'di ba? Ang bilis niya humaba. So, sana makita natin yung blue na gusto nating color. We'll see. Let us go. Am I done? Yup. I'm done here. I'm gonna leave you guys there. I'll see you in a bit, people. Bye, guys. I am back, people. And I found it. Parang ito ata yun. Pero yung ring finger ko iba. Yan. Parang yan ata yung kulay ng ano niya. Wala kasi ako internet. Ubus na mobile data ko. Pero yeah. Yan yun. Piling ko yan yun. Naalala ko pa siya. Buti na lang nahanap ko. Meron sila dun. Atras ka ba, ate? Push mo yan. Kaya mo? Ako mauna? Edi wow. Okay, ako mauna. Did you... Okay, mauna ka. Forward tayo konti. It's a bit tricky. Go ahead, it's okay. Push mo yan, ate. Ikaw na talaga. Ay, pang. Ayan. Good job kayo. Huwag kayong ano. Let's go! Sana nandun na yung TV? Kain na ako, guys. You like my nails, babe?
Yeah.
Ganda. Okay. Eh, nandito na din yung TV. Siya na talaga ang dumating na. What time did it arrive, my love?
An hour ago.
An hour ago. Dito na siya, guys. Okay, let's do it. You ready? Okay. Let's do it, people. Ayun, parang na-clear na ni Dan. Yung likod.
We should get like...
What?
Looks massive. Let's...
It does. It really does.
Alright, let's see how big it is once it's out of the box.
Okay, yep.
So I think we're gonna move
The table?
the table.
Sige.
I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Ready?
Okay?
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
So far we have this. It's the legs bag. You said?
Sorry?
Is this the leg?
Yeah.
Bakit isa lang? And then we have this. Hindi ko alam kung ano, guys. We have that. Nakita nyo ba yun? Yan. Legs daw yan. And then the like battery and then remote is here. Dito. Okay. Okay.
Might be easy just breaking the box.
And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
You ready? Like, with your voice?
That's it. Log into my Samsung account. Sign in to my account. Change account now. Sign in to my Samsung account. Access my account with my voice. TV setup.
Add apps. Wait. Add apps. You wanna add that?
Okay.
That's okay. Na-set up na namin yung TV, guys. Ano, isi-set up natin yung soundbar naman. So, oh, you gotta sign into Netflix. Let's do that later.
Oh, that's a little better.
Tinetest namin siya, guys. Wala pa tong soundbar. Okay na okay yung audio niya. Tapos hindi din siya glary. So, pwede na ako manood during the day. Alright, let's set up the soundbar, people. Guys, tapos na. Nakaset up na. Nakapaglinis na din kami dito. So, medyo nag-general cleaning kami ng very, very light lang dito sa lounge at saka sa kitchen. Yan, tingnan nyo. Do you like it, my love?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
I reckon it's good, except that watching sport through the internet is a bit slow for that app.
Foxtel?
That's alright. We don't normally watch sport through that app.
Yeah. But it's good?
It's good.
Yeah. The audio with the soundbar is way better, guys. Like, we're using the soundbar right now, yeah?
I think so.
I think you long press the
You already have it connected to soundbar.
Chico, I was talking to her. Oh, so you can tell her what to do. So you can just talk to her and say connect the soundbar. Ah, cool. Smart TV na din siya, so nandun na yung Netflix, YouTube. Hala, try YouTube, babe.
You gotta sign in.
At the bottom. Yeah. I'll sign in. Guys, papunta kami sa Mr. Bulgogi. Magdi-dinner kami kasama si Nalay at saka si Tony. Nag-text sila kanina. Sabi niya, pwede ba kami dumaan dyan para gusto daw tingnan ni Tony yung TV kasi nag-post ako sa Instagram. Tapos nakita niya yung TV. Diba si Tony yung dahilan? Hindi naman si Tony yung dahilan. How did you, why did you think of getting a new TV, babe?
I was watching footy at Tony's house. Was really good.
Oh yeah, so it was because of Tony, was it?
Because yeah, the TV is good.
Yeah, so si Tony yung dahilan pala talaga. So sabi ni Dan, like that same night, nabibili tayo ng TV, so napamili kami. So ngayon gusto i-check ni Tony yung TV. And sabi ko, plano namin mag-Korean restaurant. So gusto nyo bang mag-Korean restaurant din para sama na lang kami ba? So sabi niya, oo sige. So ayun, pupunta kami sa Korean restaurant. Tapos after punta sila sa bahay. Doon daw kami sa bahay mag-tea. Char! Yeah, so punta tayo sa Mr. Bulgogi. Nagpalit lang ako ng lipstick. Ginamit ko yung Maybelline na matte ink. Yung shade na kalimutan ko. Basta yung red na shade ko. Tapos tinanggal ko din yung contacts ko. Hindi ko napansin. Sobrang kaninang umaga pa pala yun hanggang gabi na. Oh, madilim na. Nakasuot ako ng contacts. Contacts lang ako kanina, naglilinis, lahat. Tapos pagtanggal ko ng contacts ko, sabi ko, feel so good. Parang kapag tinanggal mo yung bra mo sa gabi, ganun yung feeling, guys. Pag nakakahinga yung mata mo. Dito na kami, guys. Hinihintay lang namin si Lyra at saka si Tony. We're here. Busy siya. Nabasa niyo yung post niya. Hindi ako oily, ha? Glowy. Char! Palusot pa more. Hindi ako nag-retouch eh. Yung lips ko lang yung inano ko. And naglinis kaya kami halos buong araw. Dito na yung food ni Dan. Wala na. Inano na niya. Ano yan? Masa? Bibimbap. Oo. Na-mix na niya yung egg. Dito na sila, guys. Couple goals. Couple goals. Oh, hindi nila. Oh, funny pack. Wala pa. Nga kami. Drinks ko.
What's this? Chili? Chili.
Oo, parang chili sauce. Sabi ni Dan, mas masarap daw yung ano ni Lyra. Yung kanyang. You said Lyra's chicken is way better than their chicken. Pero hindi pa niya na-try yung chicken nila.
I reckon if you're doing a soy, I'll be surprised.
Yeah, Lyra. Oh yeah. Dito na yung order ko, guys. Original chicken boneless at saka sweet and spicy. Try nyo. And then Tony ordered the same one. Good luck! Kaya nga, hindi pa daw siya gutom. Uy, sabi niya hindi siya gutom.
Wow.
Are you okay?
It's hot. It's good though.
Hot? Hot?
It's just hot. Yeah, it was a big piece as well.
Kain, Day. Try mo, Day.
So I've ordered both. I've ordered that as well.
Dito na yung kay Tony, guys. Yung ano sa kanya, soy chicken at saka sweet and spicy, akin original. At saka sweet and spicy sila rangangay. Wala pa yung kanya. Soup yun sa'yo, diba? Spicy soup. Ang anghang ng kimchi, masarap. Masarap. Nandito pala sila, guys. Sila yung
Hindi kinood kami ng TV, guys.
doon si Tony at saka...
Lamig naman ako.
Kaya nga, sasabihin ko sana, naka-jacket pa talaga ikaw. Sana talaga. Naka-on yung heater namin, ha? Si Tony, naghubad na mainit kasi. Pero ano, medyo hindi din sobrang init kasi naka-open yung door namin.
Hindi na yan uuwi. May heater kayo.
Si Tony, naghubad talaga siya.
Heater namin kasi, guys,
Tuesday pa, malapit na. Uy, dalawang araw na lang.
tulog na lang, guys.
Kaya nga.
We're in that plane.
Hindi na tayo naka-jacket at saka naka-beanie sa loob ng bahay.
Kaya nga, lamig. Oo, ang lamig. Ako nga, kahit na naka-on yung heater minsan, naka-ano pa din ako. Sobrang naka-jacket ng, yung naka-robe. Popcorn, guys, para sa mga boys. We just imagine, snack ko yung amin.
Sarap.
Just imagine ha, kapag ano na, showdown, ang ingay siguro dito. Punta ka, gusto mo?
Manunod ako.
Ay, oo nga, no.
Last name.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano yung cheese left?
Ano? Asin?
Kasi walang sauce.
Konti na nalalagyan ng
Saka yung bibiling cheese powder dito.
Meron yun sa Filipino shop siguro. Parang meron yun. Meron yung cheese powder dito.
Kasi para sa ano yung cheese, ano tayo, cheese stick ba? Tapos may cheese sa labas. Diba? Ano mga naisip mo?
Meron siyang pamigay.
Pabaon sa dam.
May pabaon.
We'll break the house, will
Just getting ready.
cut a seatbelt? Yeah, that's sitting there.
Nakaka-break ng glass, yung maliit na So, parang siyang yung mga multi-function na mga tool. Pero, kakaiba siya kasi pwede sa seatbelt, pwede sa car. Guys, we're still here. So, di ba usually mga ganitong oras, nasa bed na kami guys. Kasi it's now 10:43 ng gabi. But we're here kasi si Dan, he's still not 100% satisfied with the sports na quality. Like, what?
I'm 100% satisfied with the quality of the picture.
Yeah.
Other than the lag. The quality is good.
The lag.
The quality is good. You can't really see it too much. But the quality is good.
Yeah, but then sabi niya kapag sports daw yung pinapanood, which is like yun naman lagi yung pinapanood niya during footy season, naglalag ng slide. So iniisip ko kasi live siya, so parang hindi naman yung kasalanan ng TV.
But I reckon that might be our internet.
Yeah, internet din, yun. Tapos nung nandito sila Tony kanina, yung nag-usap-usap sila about dun. But yeah, nandito pa din kami. Are you good now? Or are you still
I'm good.
trying to figure
No,
out?
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm happy where it's at.
Yeah, nakapag-skincare na ako't lahat. I have my winter pantulog on. This I got from Dress Lily. Tagal na nito sa akin. But yeah, it's good for winter. Keeps me warm. And Dan is preparing our tea. Nakahubad siya kaya. Sabi niya kasi na-close mo na ba yung vlog mo? Sabi ko, hindi pa. Alam niyo ba, hindi kami nakapag-grocery shopping ngayon do. Kami na talaga kasi we spent almost, hindi ko alam po ilang oras kami dito. Tapos yun nga, nakapag-general cleaning tayo. And 5 kasi magko-close yung ngayon, shops. So yun, wala. Wala tayong grocery shopping. Bukas na lang kami mag-grocery shopping. Meron kaming appointment sa dentist bukas. Then after ng dentist, mag-grocery shopping kami. Okay lang din kasi nga, wala din akong enough time kanina para kumpletuhin yung lista namin para grocery. Sobrang ganda ng sound quality ng soundbar. Yun yung Samsung guys ha. So 'di ba meron siyang ganyan, ayan pahaba, tapos meron siya noon. Yan. Dapat pala sa likod yan. Kaya lang, saan naman namin siya ilalagay dun sa likod, guys, no? So, hayaan lang na muna namin siya dyan. Kasi okay naman. Kahit na nandyan siya, okay na okay yung sound. Parang, maganda siguro kapag ganyan yung setup mo. Like, ayusin mo talaga kung saan siya ilalagay. Kung meron talaga kayong theater room or like cinema room, eh, kami lounge lang naman kami. Uy. So, yeah, okay na okay sa akin, para sa akin. Kay Dan, meron siyang ano ng konti lang na itatanong niya daw sa dun sa kung saan namin binilhan kung nakaka-experience din ba yung iba ng ganyan na medyo sobrang very very slight lang na lag kapag live yung pinapanood niya. Kapag sports parang very slight na naglalag ng konti pa, parang nagbabuffer ng very very light lang. So yeah, anyway, hindi ko alam kung kailan niya kakausapin yung good guys, but yeah. But so far, so good. Movie quality is great and then the audio is really good. As in, yung mga movie sa Netflix, as in, sobrang high definition talaga siya. So, yun na yung vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, guys, kung nagustuhan nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully bukas. Good night, guys. Bye. Be good.